Finance 24B. So we are going to do the amortization table here, and I'm going to go through step 1 from page 17. Find the interest earned for the first month using the interest equals principal times rate times time. So again, we're going to do the $15,526.82 on our student loan principal. Our rate was 0.0445. And our time is 1/12 because it's 1 month. When I multiply that together, I get $820. No, that's a lie. I get $57.58. Okay, so step 2 is subtract the interest from the monthly payment to find the amount paid on the principal. So I will do that. My monthly payment is $160.54. minus $57.58, and when I do that subtraction, I get $102.96. And so step 3 is to subtract the amount of the payment on principal from step 2 from the principal to get the balance of the loan. So we will go ahead and do that. The balance of the principal was $15,526.82. I will subtract from it this payment on principal right here, so $102.96, and that yields $15,423.86. So that's going to be our new principal there. So I have $15,423.83 times the 0.0445, and I need a month's worth, and so that will give me $57.20. Now I will take this $57.20 and I'm going to subtract that from the monthly payment, because I want to see how much of that monthly payment is principal by subtracting the interest from it. And I get $103.34, and now I will subtract this payment on principal from the new balance loan, and so we'll be subtracting the $103.34 from our previous balance, and I will get $15,320.52. So that becomes my new balance. And then that times my 0.0445 times 1/12. And that gives me $56.81. So we will subtract this interest from the monthly payment. And I get $103.73. And I will subtract this amount from the previous balance of the loan. And I get $15,216.79.